you're not an Inside Track Club member, the Harbor Freight parking lot sale opens up to everybody on Friday. And there are some deals in this sale that are really easy to miss. Harbor Freight has several entire categories discounted, and when you start drilling down into them, there are well over 200 qualifying items. So instead of making you dig through page after page on Harbor Freight's website, I've already done that part for you. I'm going to show you all the qualifying items as we go, and I'll give you the two that caught my attention in each of the big percentage off categories. Then we'll finish with the Hercules and Bauer starter kit deals. Let's start with the carts. Harbor Freight is taking 25% off qualifying U.S. General and Franklin carts. My first pick here is the U.S. General 30-inch one-drawer service cart at $139.99. At 25% off, that brings us down to $104.99, saving you $35. I actually own this service cart myself, and this style of cart can be really handy when you want to keep the tools for a job right there beside you instead of constantly walking back to the toolbox. My second pick is Franklin 500-pound hydraulic table cart at $250. Take 25% off of that and you're at about $187.50, a savings of $62.50. That one caught my attention because it's not just another tool cart. You can raise and lower the table, move something heavy around the shop, and get it up to a more comfortable working height. There are 11 qualifying carts altogether, and I'm putting the whole group on the screen right now. You got mechanics carts, tech carts, service carts, utility carts, hydraulic table carts, and several different price points. So pause the video anywhere you want if there's one you want to take a closer look at. Next up is Icon. This one is 30% off all the qualifying Icon torque wrenches and breaker bars. My first choice is the half-inch drive professional split beam torque wrench. Regular price is $139.99. Take 30% off and you're down to about $97.99. That's a $42 savings on an Icon torque wrench. My second choice is much less expensive. It's the 25-inch Icon professional breaker bar at $39.99. With 30% off, you're looking at about $27.99. That saves $12 and gets you a long breaker bar for less than $30 in an Icon brand. There are 15 qualifying Icon tools in this deal, and I'm putting all of them on the screen now. There are click torque wrenches, split beam torque wrenches, digital torque wrenches, and several sizes of breaker bars. Some of these Icon deals get pretty expensive, so that 30% discount can turn into a pretty substantial dollar savings. If you've been waiting on a particular Icon torque wrench, this is definitely a category I would go look through before the sale ends. Now we get to probably one of the biggest categories of the bunch. Quinn hand tools are 35% off. And Harbor Freight has around 100 qualifying Quinn items in this promotion. My first pick is the big one, the Quinn 428-piece Master Technician tool set at $429.99. At 35% off, that drops all the way down to $279. That's a savings of $150. Now, I'm not telling you everybody needs a 420-piece tool set, but if you're already looking at one, $150 off certainly gets my attention. My second choice is much simpler, the Quinn 15-piece premium screwdriver set at $27.99. After the discount, you're looking at about $18.19. I own some Quinn screwdrivers myself, so the screwdriver deal is one that naturally caught my eye when I was going through this list. Now, like I said, there are around 100 qualifying Quinn tools. I'm going to let this run on the screen for a little while. This is exactly why I wanted to make this video. There are socket sets, ratchets, torque wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, pry bars, scrapers, calipers, and a whole bunch of other hand tools buried in here. I'm not going to read 100 tools to you. That would make us both miserable. But I am going to scroll through them so that you can pause the video and look at anything that catches your eye without having to hunt through the Harbor Freight website yourself. And remember, 35% off starts adding up pretty quickly. A $20 tool saves you $7. $50 tool saves you $17.50. $100 tool saves you $35. And once you get into something like that $430 Master Technician set, now you're talking about more than $150 off. Next is another big category. All qualifying clamps are 40% off. My first pick is Bremen's 48-inch parallel clamp at $38.99. Take 40% off, you're at $23.39. That is a deal. Saves you $15.60 on one clamp. My second pick is the Pittsburgh 60-inch aluminum F-style bar clamp at $19.99. I actually own this clamp. At 40% off, it comes down to $11.99, $12. That's $8 off a 60-inch clamp. And there are 76 qualifying clamps in this promotion, so once again, I'm putting a complete selection on the screen. You got parallel clamps, bar clamps, C-clamps, spring clamps, quick release clamps, welding clamps, and a bunch of smaller specialty clamps. There are some really inexpensive clamps mixed with the larger ones too. And 40% off is the biggest straight percentage discount in these category deals. A $10 clamp becomes $6, a $20 clamp becomes $12, a $40 clamp becomes $24. So if you've been meaning to add clamps to the shop, I would take a pretty serious look through this category while the 40% discount is available, and get there on Friday if you can. Now let's move over to the Hercules deal. This one works a little differently. You buy the Hercules starter kit for $119.99, and you get to choose a free tool from the qualifying list. There are 8 free tools in this list. My choice would be the Hercules 20-volt brushless compact half-inch 4-mode impact wrench. That tool normally sells for $70. It may not be the highest dollar free tool in the promotion, but it's the one I would rather have. And that's really how I would look at all these starter kit deals. Don't automatically grab something just because it has the biggest regular price. Get the tool you'll actually use. I'm putting all Hercules choices on the screen so you can see what else is available in this promotion. There are several completely different types of tools in the group, so what makes sense for me may not make sense for you. But if we're walking into Harbor Freight to buy that Hercules starter kit, that compact impact is the one I'd be looking for. And finally, we have Bauer. The Bauer starter kit is $99.99, and you get your choice of 1 free from 11 qualifying tools. My pick here is probably not the one that you would expect from me. I'd take the Bauer 20-volt brushless 5-inch pruning saw. Regular price on that tool is $65. There's a right angle impact wrench in a promotion with a higher regular price, but I already have plenty of impact tools. That little pruning saw is something I could actually see myself grabbing and using around the house and around my property. So again, I'm picking what I would actually want, not just chasing the largest dollar amount. I'm putting all 11 Bauer choices on the screen now. There are automotive tools, outdoor tools, and several general purpose cordless tools mixed into this deal. So take a look through them and decide which one would actually be useful to you before you automatically grab the most expensive choice. So those are the big category deals I wanted to make sure you knew about before the parking lot sale opens to everybody on Friday. 25% off qualifying U.S. General and Franklin carts, 30% off the Icon torque wrenches and breaker bars, 35% off all Quinn hand tools, 40% off clamps, plus the Hercules and Bauer starter kit free tool deals. I've already done 2 other videos on this parking lot sale covering my original picks and the additional deals Harbor Freight added later. I'll put those videos on the end screen if you want to check them out. And as always, prices and availability and promotional terms can change, and inventory can vary from store to store, so double check everything with Harbor Freight before making a special trip. Let me know down in the comments which one of these category deals you think is the strongest. And if you found this useful, please hit like the button and consider subscribing to 63 and Counting Toolbox. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And until then, y'all take care.